Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 or 2025. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Alright, first thing first, make sure your project is ready for export in Premiere Pro 2025. So I'm gonna open my project. And now, normally you have to click on the file option on the top left corner. And here you have to choose export. And after that, normally you will see a pop-up window on the right side. Normally choose media. This will open up the export settings window where all the magic happens. The first thing we want to check is the format. I'd recommend going with H.264 as default. And it's perfect for most users, especially if you are uploading to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Now we are gonna click on this preset section. Here you can choose a preset depending on where you plan to share your video. For example, if you are making a video for YouTube, go with YouTube 180p Full HD. If the option is not available, normally choose the standard one. So I'm choosing the Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. And finally, we're gonna give it a name. So normally I'm giving it a name USA. And now it's a good idea to check the video and audio setting. Make sure everything looks good in terms of quality, and feel free to tweak the bitrate settings if you want to adjust the video size or quality. Once you are happy with everything, hit that export button. And there you have it. Your video will now start exporting. The time it takes will depend on how and complex your project is, but you will get a notification once it's done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.